Hello guys, good day. Today I'm gonna share with you regarding uns up. Hold on. Today I'm gonna share with you how to save money shopping online. Okay? Here in the US, this is only applicable if Rakuten is available in your country. Okay, so I'm here in the US. As you can see, bulk supplements where I buy my supplements, eBay, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Macy's, and other more. We have a lot of stores that you can see here they have percentage on how much you're gonna save. Okay, but today what we're gonna do is the bulk supplements. Okay, we're gonna go to bulk supplements and how are we gonna earn 7.5% plus your if you're gonna use your credit card 1%, and they offer me the 20% free shipping. So it's a lot of savings guys. Okay, so by the way, I have a referral link down below if you want to sign up, and you should sign up because of course you're gonna shop online, and you will online and offline is okay. You can use the Rakuten. Okay, if you use my referral code, which is this one, I'm gonna put the link below. um, Refer and earn 25 for everything your friend, they'll get $10, so you're gonna get $10 a bonus cashback. Okay, so why not a free money, $10, right? So just a disclaimer, there's a link below and it's affiliate site. Okay, and affiliate site, they give me a commission of $24 every time you sign up and buy. Okay, but if you just sign up and you do not buy, I will not gonna get commission. All right, so by the way, my name is Chris Alcayde. You can follow me, Chris Alcayde on YouTube, and also Chris Alcayde on Facebook. And I share tips on how to save money online, how to make money online and offline too. All right, so let's go. So here, this is the Rakuten. So you can type the store that you're shopping online. Okay, so like bulksupplement.com here. So today they have 7.5% cashback. See, so here you go. So this is the site, and I already signed in on this one, my account, and I think I put already no order history. Okay, let's go to my cart. So you can browse here whatever products you are taking in the supplements. Yeah, this is they have wholesale and everything. All right, so as of for me, I'm taking this organic barley grass powder every morning and night. I take this and it helps me a lot. Okay, so right now we're gonna check it out. So check out, that's my, I just cover this one guys because this is my address, my email address. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, oh okay, they already put my discount, plus free shipping 5 to 7 days, and click, if you don't have the extension, you can just search in Google Rakuten Google extension. As of now, it just worked on Google. So as you can see here, it says 7.5% cashback active. Okay, so yep, and I received their check, or you can transfer it via PayPal. Okay, so here you go. So here we go, and we're gonna continue for payment. Yes, you can see guys here, right? So they give me a 20% discount code, plus I save 24.39 free shipping, plus on top of that I get a 7.5% cash back. Okay, so 7.5 is how much? So let's say 120 times 7.5% equals, I save another $9, right? So you can do this 8.5 because when if you're gonna use your credit card, there's a 1% rewards point, right? So you can save 8.5% when you're shopping, and if you don't have the 20% discount, right? So it's a win-win situation, guys, right? So now I'm gonna enter my credit card. Hold on. I just blurred this one, guys. Or I just cover it because, of course, this is a very sensitive part, and you can also be a people here if you want. So shipping address the same, yes. Complete order, yes. Free shipping, taxes 7 point blah blah, and there you go. Complete order. Dun, 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 dun. We use Google customer reviews to collect feedback. Da, 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 da. After the transaction is yes. If you want to. Just close it. So, yep, get shipping by text. Yes, of course. I want to submit. So, there you go. Alright, guys. So, continue shopping your personal credit, your shipping. Okay. Your order is confirmed. You'll receive an email and text when your order is ready. Alright. So that's it. And here you go. So guys, if you want to save a lot of money, shop online. Okay. Don't waste. Of course, there's some good deals also at the stores, but sometimes you can't keep in if you don't have always, guys. If you go shopping, try to search for a coupon, or here use the Rakuten app, and as of let's see, Mecca. So yeah, I have 68 lifetime, and I have my other one. I earn already 400 plus, or it's a free money, right? So as you can see here, eBay 2%, Walmart 5%, Amazon 5%, Macy's 3%, Kohl's, Sephora, Staples, Best Buy. You have a lot of stores, guys. Right? So, guys, if you want to check it out, I have also a video on how to shop or sign up for Rakuten. Before it's eBay, okay? Now their name is Rakuten. eBay was bought by Rakuten. That's why it calls Rakuten now. Right? So, by the way, guys, you can check also here the double cashback. Here, Groupon. Of course, I shop Groupon also 8%. Under Armour 6%. Wow. So guys, yeah, just you can type the store over here, and they have their travels too. They have their packages. Yeah, just search over here and airfare or whatsoever what you need. So it's over here. Hot deals, buy online, pick up store, free gift shipping, free shipping, gift card, buy one get one. You have a lot of things going on here. So and yeah, just explore and hope we're gonna help you. All right. So have a good day and save that money.